and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I've got something a little bit different to show you today. This is a 1990 Chevrolet GMC pickup truck, and it's rather nice. And you can see on the paintwork here, it's actually fitted with a purpley red flame along the side of the truck, the hood or the bonnet, and both sides. I'll start with showing you the interior. Of course, this is a left-hand drive vehicle because it is from America. As you'd expect from such a large vehicle, there is acres of room in here, and you really don't feel claustrophobic in this truck at all, just because how much room there is. I'll start. Hurry up. As you can hear, this has a pretty powerful engine. In fact, inside this vehicle is a 5.7 litre Hemi V8, which is pretty incredible. Inside there is red leather on the dash, as well as red bench seats, which I particularly like, and it stands out. And the inside is actually quite inviting, like a 60s lounge. It has a 4-spoke steering wheel, which is easy to use and quite comfortable to hold. This vehicle actually has 2 different horns. Your average one, which tells people to get out the way, and a slightly nicer one, which is quite cool. It does also have a radio and lots of different climate control settings for the driver, which is nice. It has a foot brake, which you used to just pull it down. As you'd expect from a pickup truck of this time, to put it into drive, you simply pull down, and you can see here that it's in drive, and back to park, and now reverse. It does also have gears 1, 2, and of course the full automatic range. Overall, this is a very nice, spacious truck, and has lots of added gadgets, including, which is quite cool. On the outside of the truck, as well as clearly being noticeable because of the flames, there are tons of lights around this vehicle, and you can see here on the side step the lights, which when it's dark glow orange, so that this truck definitely stands out in the night as well as the day. This vehicle has an automatic tail lift, as well as the tailgate, which makes putting things into this vehicle nice and easy. The chrome bars add, as well as the chrome window wipers, to this vehicle's looks. This vehicle does have large alloy wheels, which again just gives it that total cool look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. If you like our review of this pickup truck, be sure to check out our review of this 1965 Ford Ranger, which is also a pretty impressive vehicle. Thanks for watching.